Hello, welcome to the daily stock market analysis, and this is the analysis for Tuesday, 28 May 2024. All right, so the last video I uploaded was on the stock market daily analysis for Thursday, Friday, and Monday, which is between 23rd, 24th, and then 27th of May 2024. All right, it was a 3-day analysis, and we actually dealt with a couple of matters extensively. So today we are looking at Tuesday 28. So let's see what it has for us today. I'm just opening this May right now, but bet you I already know what to see in this May. Why? There are other signals that I use. There are other platforms I'm subscribed to that shows me the performance of the shares per hour. In the morning, I'm seeing the performance. In the afternoon, I'm seeing the performance. So I don't have to wait till evening before I see this review. Okay, but then I do not actually share that on my YouTube channel. It is strictly for my students who are in my investors community actually, and the way to get into that community is actually to get my stocks and shares investment masterclass course. All right, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below, so you'll be able to find that course and then you can be part of our community. All right. If you have been following this daily stock market analysis for a while now, and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I think this is the best time to click or hit the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you keep getting notified each time I upload a video like this. All right, so click on the subscribe button right now before we go on. All right, and then now turn on the notification bell so that we can proceed. All right, kudos to you if you have done that. Thank you so much for helping this channel grow and helping other people to also find videos like this. Okay, so what do we have for today? We are looking at top traders once again, gainers and losers. All right, I'm so excited about what I'm seeing today. I'm also going to be making some recommendations to you. Please, I want you to pay attention to the recommendations and be careful as you implement them, okay? Be discretionary as you implement them, but I really think it is going to be worthwhile. All right, so on top traders, we had Seplat. Seplat on the first of the top traders. I can imagine a unit of Seplat share cost 3,100, yet people are trooping in to buy it. So Seplat was able to raise a total of 2 billion naira today. That's what actually makes them the number one on the top traders list. And of course, in just today's trade, they were able to generate 3.33% for the shareholders, and in the past 1 year they've done 158.33%. That's impressive. Then we have Access Holdings with a total of 1 billion naira in value. And then we have First Bank Nigeria with a total of 693 million naira in value. So let's move to gainers. I'm so excited about gainers because as of the morning of Tuesday 28, I was looking at the signal that I used to monitor it. So as of in the morning, Chams PLC was topping the list with about 10% in the morning. Top gainers 10%. And I think followed by Veritas. I think Veritas Assurance also. And Veritas had about, I think, 3-point-something%. But suddenly I was shocked that in the afternoon, Dangote Sugar rather, had topped the list. And then followed by NASCON, and then followed by Morrison. And unfortunately, Chams PLC just moved down to the point of loss. So Chams PLC actually made about 10% in the morning, but as of in the afternoon down to evening of Tuesday 28 May 2024, Chams PLC moved from 10% profit in the morning to making loss in the afternoon and down to in the evening. So you see how things can be if you are not very careful analyzing the market before you make your buying decision. So let's see the performance of Dangote Sugar in terms of the profit gain. So this is 10%, amazing, with 114.50% in the last 1 year, which is 12 months, amazing. And then NASCON, 9.88%. And now Morrison. Now I am so particular about Morrison. Why? I believe you have seen my video when I did an analysis on this Morrison PLC. This Morrison Industries PLC actually generated 145.1% capital gain for its shareholders in just 22 days last month, between 1st of April to 22nd of April 2024. All right, that's why I'm so particular about Morrison. And now I noticed that if you have been following my daily analysis since let's say since on the 20th of May, 21st down, you notice that Morrison has never appeared among top gainers. So it just showed up suddenly again now on Tuesday 28th of May 2024. It simply means that Morrison is about to start soaring once again. So if I were you, this is the time for me to jump into this Morrison shares. Okay, now you may not take my advice as that of a professional consultant or whatsoever, but I just wanted to use your discretion. Okay, I needed to put that disclaimer because you didn't consult me for financial advice whatsoever, so I may not be qualified to give you that advice to say go ahead, but I'm only telling you that I think this is really going to be a profitable venture for you if you take that risk. Of course, it is a risk if you take that risk. Okay, now this is what happened actually as of today, which is 28th of May, Tuesday. When I noticed that Morrison was already climbing, I went straight to my my investment app. I bought 30,000 units of Morrison Industries PLC shares. Yes, I bought 30,000 units, but unfortunately, the purchase order was declined. And why was it declined? It was actually declined because stock shareholders actually were not willing to sell at that point in time. So my stockbrokers couldn't actually get shareholders who were offering for sale in order to match with my own buying order. All right, so that is another reason why I actually recommend using multiple stockbrokers, so that if one stockbroker is unable to get you a deal, then you can move to your other alternative stockbroker and then get the deal. But in any case, I am recommending Morrison. Hopefully by the next day, which is Wednesday, I should be placing my order again in the morning to see how this drops for me. And of course, I will come back to share my feedback with you. Okay, I'll come back to share my feedback with you. And of course, I always encourage, do not put more than you can bear in terms of loss in your investment. Never test the depth of a river with 2 feet. Try 1 foot, of course, 1 foot first of all, and then when you check the depth, then you can put in the other foot, and now your 2 feet are in the water. So don't just jump in directly, and it's what I'm trying to do. When I placed the order for 30,000 units, it was about 49,000 plus. Yeah, was that? I think it was, I can't remember actually, but I remember placing 30,000 units. It didn't work. I placed 10,000 units, and then I placed 1,000 unit purchase order. None of them worked. They were rejected. All right, so I'll be getting back again to it, and then I'm going to give you feedback. Yes, I'm going to open my app. I'll show you the performance and everything. So lastly, as we wrap up, we have the losers, and Sovereign Trust right here tops the list of the losers, losing how much? 9.52%. And then Universal losing 8.33%. And then the Initiate losing 5%. And remember, you don't just judge them by reason of their 1 day loss. You must also look at the 12 months performance prior to this time. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the links to the other videos, the other daily market analysis in the description below. Ensure to click on the description, read through, and then begin to watch the other ones if you are just seeing this one, for the first time. Okay, and of course, once again, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, click the subscribe button right now and then turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I upload a video like this. And of course, you can give this video a like, share it to your family and friends who need to get this information. And of course, I hope to see you in my next daily stock market analysis. All right, ciao.